We're doing just another very quick video here. This is yet another attempt to keep cats off the kitchen counter. I've got another project going on right now to do something a little more extreme to keep them off the counter. I don't know if that video will become first or this one. We're working on a couple ideas here. This little guy right here is the main culprit. He will just not stay off the kitchen counter. He just wants to be up there constantly, knocking things over, licking the dishes, etc. Alright, so we're going to make a very quick and dirty kitchen surveillance camera. Got an old cell phone running IP web camera. I've got a wide-angle lens that can go over the phone lens. Got a cat trying to climb up me. Yes, you're very naughty. And we've got a just generic USB charger. I don't need too much for a USB cable since it's going to be right at the power wart, so we're just going to find the shortest one we can here in our box of junk. Next up, we've got one of my favorite construction supplies, hot glue. We're just going to put hot glue on everything for this project. So this is a great use for an old broken cell phone. You can kind of see this one's got a cracked screen and it's about 100 years old, so it's not super useful anymore. I'm using an app called IP Webcam, and you can set this up to run automatically when the phone reboots. So basically I'm just setting this up with a static IP, and then I can view that from anywhere on my home network, and it actually works pretty well with my home security systems. So my NVR sees this as a generic IP cam and can record from it. So once you start the server, pops up as an IP camera, starts streaming, gives you the IP address, and again you can set that to be a static IP address if you want it to always be the same. And then on the client end I'm using this IP Cam Viewer app. And again, this is pretty generic. This lets me view all of my home cameras on my NVR as well as any extra webcams like this thing. So I've actually done this before. I've used this system for outdoor security cameras. I took some waterproof cases, I put some old phones in them, drilled a hole, put a lens in, and these worked pretty well. I had these mounted outside, I had them set up as IP cameras, and these were my security cameras for a while. One reason I stopped using them is certain older phones, the batteries get hot and explode, everything kind of falls apart in here, and they worked for a while, but I have actually upgraded to real security cameras these days. Now my house is from the 50s, so it has these mysterious built-in plugs way up high in the kitchen. I think these were for analog clocks. It's not really useful for anything else these days, so we're going to go ahead and stick the camera up there. Alright, so now I can keep an eye on the counters from anywhere in the house or outside the house. I'm using IP Cam Viewer as the client app, and I can put a little video widget here on the home screen of my phone, and then I can tap on that and view any of my cameras, including the countertop cam. You'll have to ignore all the junk that's on there. Half of that is just lint roller tags that are trying to keep the cats off of there, and then got some dishes and stuff, so just ignore all that. Alright, so maybe we can keep Mr. Naughty Donny here from being quite as naughty, and we can at least know when he's on the counter, so we can go in there and get him with a squirt bottle or something. Yeah, you don't like that idea, do you? Alrighty, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.